What is up, my creative fellas? Welcome again to another tutorial, and today I'm going to reveal how I created this amazing portal inspired by the Rick and Morty TV series, which I pretty like. It's my favorite show ever, and I'm going to show you how I created this amazing portal because I know many of you guys liked it and wanted to know how it was made. So watch till the end and I hope you enjoy. My good friends, before we jump into the video, I just want you to help me out with this channel by subscribing and liking this video so it can reach out more people and help more people, and it actually helps me to create better content each week for you guys. Thank you so much. Here's how you can create the portal. Just draw an outline on the wall with a brush. You can choose any color. Then put yourself inside the ring and match the light values with the environment. You can use curves, levels, or any other technique that you know. It's gonna work. Then you have to match the color of this object with the environment. Here you can use any technique that you know. This is not a color matching tutorial, so I'm not expressing it. Then it's time to mask out the extra areas and put yourself inside the ring. Just mask out the bottom of the body and make it feel like it's coming out of the hole. Fill up the ring with an appropriate color so that it turns into a portal. With the help of the free transform tool, transform the portal and put it in perspective if needed. Create a new layer on top of everything and paint with the white brush on this object and the portal to replicate the brightness that's shining out of the portal. Then apply some amount of Gaussian blur to the portal to smoothen the edges. Now I just changed the color of the portal to a lighter green because I thought it was too dark. And then I created another layer and painted some halos around the portal. I'm brushing off the edges of the portal with a soft round brush to make it look more softer and make the transition smoother, because it's just a portal. Remember, you can make it bigger, smaller, softer, harder, or change the perspective at any time. This is 100% non-destructive. Now I created a layer, put to the screen blend mode and painted with a very light green color to create the glow. If you have watched my previous tutorials, you probably know about this technique. I put a layer and fill it up with black and change the blend mode to color dodge, and then I can paint with any color on it and it creates an amazing type of glow for my images. I love it. Then you're gonna create a new layer on top of everything else, and with a white brush create some little curvy lines, paint enough of them, and then go to spin blur and shape the blur according to the shape of the portal and increase the amount of spin. And then you're gonna have a cool looking spinning wheel effect for your amazing portal. You can see that I put this spinning lines on perspective as well, and I changed the blend mode to overlay because I thought it's gonna look better and it increases the amount of glow and realism. So why not? Here's another black layer set to color dodge blend mode, and I painted with green in the middle of the portal to create an amazing glow. I told you this technique is super useful. And here's pretty much how you can create an amazing portal. Watch the rest of the video to figure out how I added the overlays and sparks and all that, and color graded myself and painted the highlights and discovered new techniques for yourselves.